Hello friends. So today we are diving into a classic programming challenge, which I think every coder encounters at some point, called FizzBuzz. And so in this program, we will just print out the numbers from 1 to 100, and we will check that if the number is divisible by 3, then we will print the word in Fizz to replace that number. And if the number is divisible by 5, then we will replace that number with buzz. And if the number is divisible by both, like 3 and 5, then we will print the fizz buzz, and all the other numbers will be printed itself. So we will not change and do any kind of a modification to that number. So we will just print that all the other numbers. So let's just start. Okay, so I will create a directory fizz buzz which is currently empty. So we will create our C file and include our standard IO and okay. And so in this program we don't have any kind of a variables to declare, so we will just start by adding some for loop here. And for for loop we will just use the start number from the 1, and number will be up to 100. And the first thing we will check that if the number which is I is divisible by 3, and also if it's divisible by 5 as well, then we will print the word FizzBuzz. Okay. Other than else if case, we will check if the number is divisible by 3, then we will print only fizz. Okay. And in else if case, again we will check that if the number is divisible by 5, then we will print buzz. Okay. Otherwise, the last case, we will just print out that number. And yeah, we will do a new line here, and we will just place the number here. Okay, so this is our simple code. So let's just test this out. We will compile, and yes, we are good to go. You will check numbers. Okay, so we got printed 98, 99, 100, 1 to 100. So we will check that yeah, 3 is fizz, 5 is buzz, and obviously 15 is fizz, both divisible by 3 and 5. So it's a little just a fun program. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.